Hey, my ninja warriors. What's up? What's up? Preparation going on. How is your English paper preparation going on? Before I get into details, please let me know whether I'm perfectly audible and visible so that I will reveal that how to how to assess any topper's answer sheet, how to write answers, how to present like a topper. We will go through into detail, but before that, let me know whether I'm audible and visible. Right? Yes, I can see comments pouring in. So the video won't be very long because I know you are busy preparing for English examination. It would be very short, to the point, crisp video, right? And we'll be seeing that how actually a topper write the answer and we'll learn from it, right? Okay, audible and visible. Okay, all right. Let's just begin. Let's just understand that how to write the answers, how to present the answers like a pro. Okay, let me just reveal the answer sheet of the topper, right? So this is the answer sheet of 2023, right, of English subject. And the very first thing, so we will get into attention to detail. So we'll be actually understanding the very little minute details. We'll be seeing that what a topper can make an impact on the examiner. So if you can see over here that the topper has this student has started answer from page number 3. So the very first page is where you write roll number, where you write your details and everything, and there is some space below the paper, page number 1, there is some space left. So some of the student might start from there, but no, can you see the student has right hand side page number C, so you can follow the same thing. Why? Because the moment we start right hand side now, where we have the thick sheets below my page, so my handwriting will become very neat and very clean. And this is the first impression, first page, first impression. So first impression again is the last impression. You will get you will see a good handwriting over here, and by good handwriting, not the beautiful one, but the neat and clean. Even writing cursive, even if you're writing non-cursive handwriting, normal handwriting, you just have to write neat and clean, right? So that by looking at the answer sheet, I can tell you that the student is pretty much clear in his or her head. So that is the very first learning which we are getting from this topper's handbook, right? And can you see that the student has left one line after each section, and the student has followed the sequence as well. So it has written section A in the middle, right? The student has written section A in the middle, and okay, let me just check. Are you not able to see it? Let me just check whether there is some glitch. Okay, let me just check. Give me a moment. Okay, so sorry. I just messed it up. So now you will be able to see the topper's answer sheet. So here is it. Here it is, right? You're able to see now, right? Yes. Okay. All right, so can you see the section A is beautifully written in the middle so that the examiner is pretty clear and the student has already followed the order as well. So can you see 1A, then 2, then 3, then 4B. So parts are also mentioned, and can you see the clear spacing left between the answers? That is one thing we should all notice, right? And the order is mentioned. So one more question which I usually get, ma'am, shall I start with section A? It is compulsory. I should start with section A first, then B, then C, then D, then E. So I have answer to that. So start with any section you are confident about. That is first thing. But complete that section itself in then and there only. Don't just switch between section. Okay, I'm doing section C, question 3. Then I'm doing section A, question 2. Then again section 3, question 1. Do not do that. It will actually, what will happen na, examiner will become strict in giving you answers. Okay, because you are actually confusing his mind that, okay, now I have to check question number 2, what was question 3. So just follow proper sequence. So section wise sequence and write neatly. That is one thing. Okay, all right. And yes, so one more thing, actually one more important thing. So we all do mistakes, right? So what we do is, whenever we do some mistake na, we strike multiple times, like gitch pitch. We do this gitch pitch thing. Don't do that. Just strike one small neat thin strike will work for you, and start writing after that. Okay, it won't be that much visible and it won't make any impact on the examiner while he will check your answer sheet. That is another thing that is actually valid for your physics, your maths as well, for any exam. Okay, all right. And yes, so in English, try to avoid the verbose answer. So wherein what you are doing is just keep writing and writing paragraph wise, and you're not clear, the answer is vague. So just write to the point, and again, do not use fancy vocabulary. Do not use, use basic vocabulary, but use it smartly. And yes, what you can do is you can use idioms and phrases as well while writing your answers, and you can give some beautiful real world examples as well. So basically you can use any particular celebrities, and just for example Ratan Tata, you can use these people in your answers as well. But one suggestion, that do not use any political celebrities in your answers. Avoid using that. Okay, all right. So here are few glimpses, if you can see. And one more tip, what you can do is, once you are finished with your answer now, by pencil, with the help of pencil, you can just draw a line between the answers gap. So answer 2, answer 3, so you can you can just draw a line with the help of pencil, so that the examiner will be clear, okay, now the answer has been changed. So he will not, it happens sometimes, it happened with all of us, right? It has happened with all of us that, ma'am, you didn't give me answer in marks in question number 4. You didn't even check question number 4, because what you did is, you have written it in such a way that the segregation is not that clear. So to make segregation clear now, if you have time, so you can draw a line with the help of pencil. If not, then you can just leave 2-3 lines as well, so that it is very obvious, it is very clear. Okay, all right. And one more tip, by the way. So can you see that this student has finished the 10th part? 10th part, option is C, happiness. Okay, so this is what he or she has written. Now he or she can start the next section from here, but no, always start next section from next page. So can you see the section B, he or she has started from the next page. Okay, because you have a thick notebook with you, right? Your answer key will have multiple pages, so do not worry about how will I manage with the pages and all, right? So this is not the complete answer sheet, by the way. This is a few snapshots of the topper's answer sheet. And can you see that how beautifully he has maintained the sequence, even if he actually, so for example, question 1 is having 5 parts, A, B, C, D, E. Even if he or she doesn't know part D, na, so you can beautifully skip. You can just write A, B, C, then E. You can skip part D, right? So, but the sequence should be maintained. So that's how it is. That's how the tips are for you. And am I missing anything? Yes. Okay. So you just keep in mind that first few pages will make the impression. So make sure that you start with the right section, right? And this is valid for each and every paper of your board examination, right? Now, so for you, we have curated English PYQs as well, right? So, if you want to access those English PYQs for absolutely free of cost, link is given in the description box. And I would highly suggest that. So, these were the snapshot I was sharing with you, right? The topper's answer key. But I have mentioned the complete PDF of the topper. So complete answer sheet of this particular topper is given in the description box. You have to just click on the link and go through it. And I will highly recommend that you just give one mock test of English mock paper. Try writing the way topper writing. So take a few important points relate and analyze yourself your topper's answer sheet, and then give that mock. It will actually give you confidence, and it will definitely pay you in your marks. Yes, if you are able to solve that mock test, na English mock test, if you are doing that, na, it will get reflected in your marks, right? It will not get wasted. You might think, okay, ma'am, no, it will not make for English mock test, why should I give? No. So if you give 1 or 2 hours and sit down, give mock test, and then you will get that confidence. Okay, I can write better answers. So you will get hang of it. So this is one bonus tip from me, that see the answer sheet and then give any mock. This mock also you can do, sample paper PDF also you can, simple sample paper released by CBSE also, na, that mock also you can give. Okay, but give and then check. Yeah, you will definitely thank me ki, okay ma'am, yes, I am getting this confidence and my marks has been boosted because I gave the mock test. Okay, all right. Now, okay, so two more things, that we have class 12th free test series, which is computer based test series and based on new board syllabus, which is absolutely free. Again, link in the description box. And we have absolutely free NCERT solutions as well. Again, the link is in description box. So the solutions are from physics, chemistry and mathematics. Okay. So all the very best for your English examination. I'll not take much of your time now. You just go prepare yourself for English, because you know that 75% criteria is there. So give your best shot. Do not worry. And this is your time to perform. And Ninja Ma'am is with you all. Okay. This is me, Namrata, signing off.